Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. Now, you may have tried out some of our projects like Food Catcher or the multiplayer version, Don't Catch Mine, and it allows you to create something like this. Like when you press the green flag, you move the bowl, and your goal is to catch the healthy food and let the unhealthy food fall to the ground. Okay? So that's the particular project that we've got here. But I want to show you another neat idea. This one is called the Falling Blob, and it is by Quizenti. Apologies if I mispronounce your username. Now, this one, it allows you to move around, but your goal is to avoid the objects, not catch them. So I'm going to move around while I'm falling. So it kind of flips the direction. And then if you get hit by one of these little blobs, then, you lost. And then it shows you what the high score is. So somebody played that for a very long time. That's pretty cool. So this, I thought, was a pretty neat idea. If you want to check out this original project, make sure you check out the description, which includes a link to it. And you can check out some other links in there, which shows you how to create other projects like the ones I demonstrated earlier in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.